Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing what VS Code needs. Install the core extensions you will use, and then open your project folder. Once done, make sure to select the correct interpreter or runtime so features like linting and auto-completion work. You should also create a simple workspace settings file if you share configs. This gets diagnostics running immediately and lets you run code from the integrated terminal rather than switching apps. Now you're ready to configure tools for the next steps. You'll now tailor the editor to your workflow, adjust settings, JSON and key bindings so frequent actions become one keystroke. Once configured, use the integrated terminal with split panes to run build and test commands side by side. This keeps context. Make sure to add a launch. JSON for debugger presets and tasks. JSON for repeatable builds or format on save. These automate steps and reduce errors. When the debugger is attached, watch variables and hit breakpoints to understand program flow. This is how you fix logic quickly. You'll finish by running or debugging to verify behavior, then use the source control pane to stage and commit changes so your repo stays clean. Once done, format and link code, run tests, and push. Pre-commit hooks help enforce rules automatically. If things go wrong, like extensions not activating or the terminal not finding a runtime, reload the window, verify path and environment variables, and temporarily disable suspicious extensions. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most environment and activation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.